how to install TeamViewer on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install TeamViewer on your Windows 11. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, head over to your browser. Then in the search bar, you need to type TeamViewer. Once you're here, you need to click on first link that appears that says teamviewer.com. Then you need to simply go ahead and click on free download option over here. Then you need to simply go ahead and click on free download now option. And now this will give you two options over here. If you want to use TeamViewer to provide support, you need to simply go ahead and click on download TeamViewer. But if you want to use TeamViewer in order to receive support, you need to simply go ahead and download quick support. Then I'm assuming that most of you are using TeamViewer in order to receive support, so simply go ahead and click on download quick support. Now you need to simply go ahead and click on save, and once you have done that, you can see that the setup has been installed over here. You need to simply go ahead and click on it. Now, as you can see that TeamViewer has been successfully installed in your Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.